Karbi Anglong is rich with its natural resources, but due to the non-conservative mindset of some people, the natural resources are exploited beyond the limits. Consequently, the rich natural resources, which was supposed to be there, seems to be slowly degrading. Likewise, sand suppliers along the bank of Disama Jamuna River falling under Central Range East Divisions and West Divisions were found to be operating their business unceasingly without proper permits. Recently, during a meeting conducted at Arboretum Camp Craft Centers, the Forest Department of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council had unanimously decided to notify all the sand holders to pay their royalty for the protection of their intellectual property rights of their business establishment. But now it is happening utterly opposite to it. Moreover, permits for the extractions of sand using JCB machines were not granted so far. Yet, at this instance, JCB machines were being used for extraction of sands. Despite rigorous exploitation of sand carried out using heavy machinery, Forest Department remains silent into this matter. Therefore, concerned citizens question the Forest Department of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for their non-interventions into this matter, or is it because Forest Department is also involved into it? Due to incessant exportations of sand via village roads, the roads are totally destroyed, keeping it impassable for the villagers. This consequently disturbs the lifestyle of the villagers during monsoon seasons, as the road is filled with potholes and mud. And also the dust during winter affected the children and senior citizens of the villages. News Desk report for Karbi Anglong Live.